Hello everyone, welcome to another sRs Pro Weekly Summary. My name is Jordan and today we're going to be covering some of the interesting setups according to us, of course, for the week of 21st up until the 25th of June 2021. Now, starting from the very top, we have cable with a pretty classical situation. What we can see here is breakout of this consolidation zone, massive breakout to the downside, and basically, as long as this breakout zone is holding, we can expect for the price to give us a pullback and continue lower. There is a breakout of this kind of trend line here, maybe not classical because there is no spike above this to call the actual ABC, right? But this is too close in my opinion. So in my book, at least, I would be considering it no issues to go ahead and use it. And again, not so much about the actual trend line breakout and all that, but most of all, this is what's giving me most of the confidence, right? We're looking at this massive breakout. So I'll definitely expect for the price to continue lower. Everything else is being supportive. So in my opinion, this one makes sense. Then we have Aussie franc for bullish continuation, sentiment to out of the tree, momentum to out of the tree, 4 hour and 1 hour definitely pushing up. And on the 15-minute chart, we're looking at this breakout right here, okay? The first candle that broke was red, then we have this blue one breaking, and pretty much look what's happening. That zone is a consolidation level where the price managed to break, retest, continuing, and then we can find a few micro levels on the way, like this one, covering those here, where the price actually attempted to go below it and it got rejected with this candle, you see? So we are in a zone with a lot of momentum, and if you're around the PC and you have the time to do it intraday, that could be used in this specific case. Euro Aussie is another interesting opportunity. Again, according to us, well, in this case, we can see it's pretty clear we're in a bearish trend, sentiment, momentum, everything is supportive. We have many breakouts on the way down, and that starts to look like a possible consolidation zone. Okay, after the most recent breakout of these lows, the price is consolidating. So as long as these levels are holding, I will be expecting for the price to continue lower, right? This is where we get breakout of this inner move, top reached, holding, pushing down with a massive candle. So in my opinion, it makes sense for this to be attacked. Then we have Ethereum for sales. This situation might be slightly trickier if you look at it on 15-minute chart alone. But this is why we have this stuff, right? Because they're telling you and showing you what's happening on the higher time frames. Basically, the way I see it is you have a double wave here, okay? And after the double wave, something like that, you could be expecting, especially since the breakout level is holding, you could be expecting for the price to continue lower. We have started developing some kind of structure which has the potential to create fifth wave. So again, the most important part here would be this plus this. Look at it, the sentiment is entirely bearish. So breakout level after the consolidation price is coming closer to this, and then expectation for continuation lower, breakout of this intraday pullback here, looking for possible sell opportunities. All right, let's cover this one. It's the last one, moving faster today, so no issues with that. Now here we had momentum in the opposite direction, at least in the shorter term period, right? But then look what's happening with this low, and that low. All of them pretty much in a straight move taken down. And the last one being here with the consolidation afterwards, look what's happening. Breakout, retest, continuation, new low form. Then we're starting to give a bit of a pullback, a bit of a consolidation. And right here, the price is being blocked, okay? This is also the place where the price could be looked at a double wave, right? Right here, attempt to break, empty spike. This is a zone, definitely we need to pay attention to this zone. Second attempt, so once we had the attempt for a breakout, then we need to redraw it. At least this is how I do it, right? Redraw it again, attempt, but this time there is no high. So there is no need to redraw this thing again. We're just waiting for a signal, and there is the signal. Of course, the previous candle, even though it is blue, it is showing us pretty accurately that we're looking at this powerful push to the downside. So the expectation is for this to continue lower. And again, we just put the whole scenario, everything together. Look at the indicators, look at the levels. If the price is holding, pure price action involved, then we apply one of the entry methods. Of course, you can come up with your own. Those in the book, in the manual, are just suggestions. But in general, that's the idea. I mean, if you get the context here, like the bigger picture, if you understand where the price is supposed to be going, or it has the biggest chances of going, then it becomes easier. Whether you're going to enter with the break of this low or with the break of that trend line, it won't matter that much, right? All right, everyone. That would be all for this week. If you have any questions, you know where to find us. I'm wishing you a lovely week ahead. Bye for now.